The life cycle of a smartphone, from production to recycling, understanding how smartphones are made, used, and responsibly recycled. Smartphones are a central part of modern life. From communication and navigation to work and entertainment, these small devices power much of our daily activity. But behind every smartphone is a long journey that begins with raw materials taken from the earth and continues through manufacturing, everyday use, and eventually responsible recycling. In this presentation, we'll follow the life cycle of a smartphone and explore why recovering valuable materials through licensed recyclers is essential for building a more sustainable technology future. Smartphones are among the most widely used electronic devices in the world today. Billions of people rely on them every day for communication, business operations, education, entertainment, and access to information. These compact devices combine multiple technologies into a single product, including computing power, cameras, sensors, wireless communication systems, and advanced software. Although smartphones appear simple from the outside, they contain dozens of carefully engineered components inside. Circuit boards, batteries, processors, glass displays, and metal connectors all work together to power the device. Each of these parts requires specific materials and manufacturing processes. Because technology evolves so quickly, many consumers replace their smartphones every few years. While this constant innovation brings new features and improved performance, it also contributes to the growing volume of electronic waste. Understanding the full life cycle of smartphones helps highlight why responsible recycling through licensed recyclers is so important. Every smartphone begins its life far from the factory floor. The journey starts with mining operations that extract the natural resources required to produce electronic components. These materials are found in different parts of the world and include metals and minerals essential for modern electronics. Copper is one of the most important materials used in smartphones. It serves as the primary conductor in wiring and circuit boards, allowing electricity to flow through the device. Gold is also used in small quantities because it provides highly reliable electrical connections that resist corrosion. Smartphone batteries depend on materials such as lithium and cobalt. These elements allow batteries to store large amounts of energy while remaining small and lightweight. Without these materials, modern mobile devices would not be able to deliver the performance consumers expect. Mining these materials requires large-scale operations that use energy, equipment, and natural resources. Because of the environmental impacts associated with mining, recovering these metals through recycling plays an important role in reducing the demand for new raw material extraction. Once raw materials are extracted from the earth, they must go through refining and processing before they can be used in electronic devices. Minerals containing metals such as copper, gold, and cobalt are transported to processing facilities where they are purified. During this stage, ore is crushed and chemically treated to separate valuable metals from surrounding rock and other materials. The metals are then refined into high-purity forms suitable for electronics manufacturing. Electronics require extremely precise materials. Even small impurities in metals can interfere with the electrical performance of microchips and circuit boards. Because of this, strict quality standards are maintained throughout the refining process. After refinement, these materials enter a complex global supply chain. Metals and components may travel across several countries before reaching the final manufacturing facilities where smartphones are assembled. The manufacturing stage is where raw materials are transformed into the devices consumers recognize as smartphones. Hundreds of components must be produced and assembled with incredible precision. Semiconductor factories manufacture microchips that serve as the brains of the smartphone. These chips control everything from processing power to camera functionality. glass manufacturing facilities produce the durable touchscreens used in modern devices. Other components, such as camera systems, speakers, antennas, and sensors, are produced in specialized facilities around the world. These parts are then shipped to assembly plants, where the final smartphone is built. During final assembly, circuit boards, batteries, displays, and outer casings are combined into a compact and highly functional device. Each phone undergoes testing to ensure it meets safety and performance standards before it is packaged and shipped to retailers and consumers. After manufacturing, smartphones enter the consumer phase of their life cycle. Devices are distributed through retailers, mobile carriers, and business technology programs before reaching millions of users around the world. During this stage, smartphones become essential tools for everyday life. People use them for communication, online shopping, navigation, entertainment, photography, and work-related tasks. For many individuals, smartphones have effectively become portable computers. Most smartphones remain in active use for several years. However, as newer models introduce faster processors, improved cameras, and enhanced features, many users choose to upgrade their devices every 2 to 3 years. While upgrading devices helps drive innovation, it also creates a growing stream of outdated electronics. Managing these retired devices responsibly is an important step in reducing electronic waste. Eventually, every smartphone reaches the end of its usable life. This may occur when hardware fails, the battery can no longer hold a charge, or the device becomes outdated due to new technology. When smartphones are thrown away with regular trash, they can end up in landfills where electronic materials may degrade and release contaminants into the environment. Because smartphones contain metals and chemical components, they should never be treated as ordinary waste. Another common situation is that old smartphones remain stored in homes, offices, or storage drawers. While these devices are not immediately harmful, they still contain valuable materials that could be recovered through recycling. Proper recycling ensures that smartphones are dismantled and processed safely by licensed recyclers who are equipped to manage electronic materials responsibly. Although smartphones are small devices, they contain valuable metals that can be recovered and reused. Circuit boards contain gold used in connectors and microchips, while copper wiring carries electricity throughout the device. Smartphone batteries also contain important materials such as cobalt and lithium. These metals play a key role in modern rechargeable battery technology and are in high demand for new electronics and energy storage systems. At professional recycling facilities, smartphones are carefully dismantled and separated into different material categories. Metals, plastics, and electronic components are processed using specialized recycling technologies. Recovering these materials reduces the need for additional mining operations. By extracting valuable resources from used electronics, recycling helps conserve natural resources and reduce environmental disruption. Responsible recycling helps create a circular economy for electronics. In a circular system, materials are reused and repurposed rather than discarded as waste. When metals like gold, copper, and cobalt are recovered from smartphones, they can be reintroduced into manufacturing supply chains. This allows manufacturers to create new devices while using fewer newly mined resources. Recycling also helps reduce environmental pollution by preventing hazardous materials from entering landfills. Proper processing ensures that potentially harmful substances are handled safely. Working with licensed recyclers ensures that smartphones are processed responsibly, valuable resources are recovered, and the environmental impact of electronic waste is minimized. If you have outdated smartphones or electronic devices that need to be recycled, our team is here to help you manage them responsibly. You can reach us by phone, email, or by visiting our website to learn more about safe electronic recycling services. Our team works with businesses, organizations, and individuals to ensure electronic devices are properly handled and processed by licensed recyclers who prioritize environmental protection and resource recovery. Every smartphone contains valuable materials that can be recovered and reused. Recycling them responsibly helps reduce the demand for mining, conserve natural resources, and support a more sustainable future for technology.